Afternoon. Right now it's about 3:40, and market has closed. Today's Friday. Today, first day of the month. But every time, there is a big movement. There's something which is very important happening. Zerodha doesn't work. Zerodha doesn't work. This has been very consistent. Like market is not consistent, but one thing is consistent, that Zerodha is not going to work whenever there is something very, very important. And I talked to the representative and I asked them, how many clients do you have? They said 6 lakhs plus, maybe 6.5 lakh plus. And right now I'm assume they have about 7 lakh clients. And I'm sure whenever there is a big movement, all 7 lakhs want to trade, right? They are expanding like anything, but why are they not taking care of their software? I'm failing to understand. Why are they not upgrading their software? Even if they have upgraded, that's what they claim, it doesn't work. When it need to work, it doesn't work at all, right? And there are nothing, you can't say the services are great. Every time you are stuck up, every time there is a problem. In the morning, about 10 to 15 minutes, there's nothing, like the candles keep moving, the platform is shaky. And at least, midday there is definitely a problem. I have noticed it around 2:30. There definitely will be a problem. The graphs will not be stable. They'll become bigger. They will become, the data will disappear. The graph settings will disappear. Time and again this happens. It's high time they need to take a call on it, what they want to do. So I'm going to introduce you to another platform. Please, have a look at it. I find it pretty decent, and till now it has not, hanged. I'll just show it to you. Like this, I find this platform very, very good and very, very nice to work with. And I can run through with you, in different tabs that are here. So let's go to start. We'll start from here. You have a watch list. You can make whatever watch list you want. You want it from NSE, you want just indices, or you want the sectors, or you want the other groups, near future, next future, far future, etc. Right? Underlying FNO scripts. Then you have MCX, whatever indices, sectors, whether it's metals, energy, oil, seed, fiber, etc. Then you have other groups, and you can create your own group as well, right? Then you have the view. you know you get a lot of things over here. You can get basically the flash data, the bulk and the block deals, gross delivery data, recent FII activities, market turnover. All this you can get over here. Then you have the workspace, right? Homepage. You can have your own homepage, designed whichever way you want. So this is the homepage, um, that I was looking at, some of the times, which are the script, different things I have put over here. So you can have your own setup over here in the workplace. And then you have standard with trades. This is just the trades you have over here. I really like when you can go to the various things out here in the workspace. You can get the 2 charts, you can get the 4 charts, you can get multi-time frame charts, right? You have opportunity finder, you can have a set default workplace, and you have a standard with scanner, standard with charts, standard with trades, various things you have. But I like these tools. They are pretty good. Like if you take the heat map, will give you how the entire market is working. The banks, the oil and gas, automobiles. Most bleeding are telecommunications, utilities, and construction and material. Even real estate. I mean, every entire market is bleeding today, right? Then you can go to, even if you pick over here, you can see which one is the biggest loser. Those GMR Infra is the biggest loser. Then you have Berger Paints, again a loser. Asian Paints, Grasim, and these are also losers, right? Now let's look into some other, go to the heat map again, and you want to see what's happening in banks. So ICICI Bank is most green, then IndusInd Bank, Federal Bank, Bank India, CUB, IDBI, these are bleeding most, right? So this is the place I really like to work upon. Then you have, market dynamics. So it tells you, directly how many advances, how many declines. There's only about Nifty, but you can get it about anything. Like you can have for your watch list also. You can have it for BSC. You can have it for anything. And here it gives you, what are the percentage changes that are happening, right? And you can arrange. You can see, Tata Hindalco has 1.84, Tata Motors in 1.66, and so on and so forth. These are basically. Here you have advances and declines. Then you further go here and check, right? Market breadth. It'll tell you exactly how many scripts are up, how many are down, how many have no changes, and total in all how many. This is NSE. You can go for BSC, you can go for MCX, you can go for all. But I have NSE, so you can get the data of NSE out here, right? Then you have market meter, right? So right now it's not showing anything. It's active in the live market. Then I really like the FNO analysis, which is basically it gives you actions in FNO scripts. So which like this place basically shows you where are the long builds happening. So long builds are happening at this place, in TVS Motors and Bajaj Auto. Where are the short build happening? CG Power and VGuard. These are short covering. All these places are short covering and profit booking. These are the profit booking places. These are really helpful spaces. Like here you can find out your trades in the morning, right? So this is one place I really like about this platform. Then you have live scanner futures, right? You can see what's happening, like what's happening, which stock is at the day's high and which stock is at the day's low, right? So Bharti Airtel is day high, right? New high, new high, new high. And here HCL Tech is new low, new low. Like all of that you get, you know instant by instant basis, like it's very very fast that you get to see here. Bharti Airtel, you know where the buying is coming, you know where the selling is coming, and you can enter or exit your trades from there, right? Okay. And definitely, I feel this is a much much better open interest gainer and loser. You can get to know where the open interest has gained. So here are the places where the open interest has increased: TVS Motors, CG Power, Bajaj Auto, and VGuard. And you saw that those were the precise four stocks which were in the long built up and the short built up. These are the four stocks you basically saw had. So they have the highest open interest, and two of them were in the long built up and two of them were in the short built up, right? And then you have future open interest losers. These are the where open interest has been lost. These are the stocks where the open interest has been lost. So these are many many positive points of this place. This is fires basically. And I am definitely, I'm, like if you ask me, I find definitely Zerodha easy to work with, but it's been a full 1 year. There are problem every single day. Every single day there is a problem. Not even a single day that have passed by where I could say, okay, there has been no problem today, right? There has been no problem today. Like many a times you will not get these lines. If you get the lines, you will not get the your views. If you get the views, you will not get the orders are not placed. There is something or the other definitely happening in Zerodha. Like that's something very very disgusting about Zerodha nowadays. And people have written letters to them. Now see here, people have written letters to them, people have talked to them, contacted them, but they have no effect. They don't want to take any action about it. So I believe, it's good time for us to take a switchover, right? And it should be a mass switchover. Let them also feel the pinch of, not providing services. Why should they be getting every time whether we lose or we win the trade, they always get the money. They always get the brokerage, right? Because of them, if we lose money, to them it doesn't make a difference, right? They have a simple excuse. A message will flash after 1 hour or 2 hours that we are sorry for the inconvenience, right? That's not the right way. Let's just mass exit and enter into another platform. And I have given many of my members Fire's link. I have switched over, and I'm suggesting everyone to make a choice. You can go to any other platform. You can go to the Upstocks, you can go to SAS, you can go to, you know, Fires, but Zerodha simply is not working out. I don't think so. It's a good idea for us to stick anymore. If you want to lose money every day, we can stick. Only thing is, I have become so comfortable, you know, working with this platform that that's the only thing which is holding me here. But even what I have decided now, I'm going to use Zerodha's platform, but trading I'm going to do from, I will try to do it from different platform because it is not working out anymore, right? So guys, you can also make a choice, because why do you suffer? Why do we suffer? If we are paying money, we should get services, right? And this is, they are not providing us, they are not providing services. And let's look for some better opportunities, better options. And I find this platform pretty good, pretty decent. And it doesn't hang. The biggest point of Fires is it doesn't hang. Maybe they don't have as much clients as Zerodha has, but I would say that as long as they are providing good services, we can definitely be part of it. We don't have to give any money to open the account, but definitely when we need, I mean, to maintain the account, I think yearly there are some charges. So I think you all should take the opportunity and actually go for it, right? So I have shown you a few features, but you can explore more and you can really trade well from here. That's what I would suggest. So go for it and make a change, make a switch. You know, like if something troubles us, we need to take an action. We can't be in the state of inertia, right? So this is something I wanted to share with you guys. And also guys, my course, which is Positional Pro course, and the Nifty course is live. Many people have joined. Really, a lot of people have joined, and this course is live. Even this course is live. You can go, you can take a combo. Combo makes you get it really cheap. But in case you have any thing to ask about, courses, you can go and talk to my team, and they will be able to help you out. And second thing is, if you have any need thing you need to ask about Fires, you can write in the comment box. I would be happy to help you out with. And I need to explore it even more, right? But this is one platform I would like to suggest to you guys, right? It looks very fine, you know, a little bit more cumbersome right now. A lot of things I have opened, but keep it neat and clean. Little whatever you need, only that data should be flashing on your screen. I find it pretty decent. It doesn't hang. That's the biggest point. So keep your money here and use Zerodha's platform just to watch the indices. Money should be in a place where you can execute your trade fast, right? So let's not keep money in Zerodha and mass exit from Zerodha, because this is absolutely not working out. Every day, it doesn't matter to them. No matter how many calls you make, they will take no action about it. And even if they take action, it makes no sense if it doesn't bring about a change in the trading platform, right? So we have to take a call, and we have to take a this thing. I'm going to exit all my, I'll pull out my money from here and put it in Fires. I'm going to use Zerodha only for analyzing, because I feel a bit more comfortable with this platform. So with this, I'm signing off. Hope you guys find it good, and please, you know, don't live with inertia anymore. You know, like it's been enough. It's enough is enough. You know, yesterday, you know what we missed? There was a huge momentum that came at about 2 o'clock, and precisely the time Zerodha was hanged. Precisely that was the time Zerodha got hanged. So this was the moment which came, right? At 2 o'clock. And from 2 to 2:30, 3 o'clock, Zerodha was hanged. This is, you know, full about, I'll tell you how many points we missed out. We missed out good about, good 150 points we missed out, right? So let's not miss out. Let's not miss out on opportunities just because service providers fault. It's good about 100 points that we missed out, right? So guys, I'm expecting you people to take a call and move ahead fast, take a decision fast, and at least your platform will not hang. That is something you can be sure about. All right. With this, I'm signing off. Let's really take a call and move ahead. Bye bye.